What's good, YouTube? What's good, people? What's going on with everybody? A little boy, hello, and I'm back again with another video. So in today's video, there's gonna be a basic market outlook for the week. So my bad about this. I did upload, I did record a video just 10 minutes ago, but I didn't record. So I can't start off the daily time frame. I'm gonna start off the 4H. So looking at the 4H, we came to like our structure still moving to the downside. We had current price printing out this double bottom. We can simply wait for price to break out and retest and continue moving to the downside, or for price to react off of the double top, double bottom, and continue moving to the upside before we so what I'm simply waiting for is for price to break, retest, continue to the downside, to react off of it and continue moving to the upside. Looking at gold from the 4H, I'm simply waiting for what? For price to give us an indication for continuation to the upside, or for price to simply what? To exhaust a little before it can continue moving to the upside. Because looking at the overall, we can tell that like our structure's been moving clearly to the downside, but price failed to break those highs, those lows off of the support level, continue moving to the upside. So we can simply wait for break of those highs, continue to the upside, break of the lows, continue moving to the downside. So on German 30, same shit as the NAS, I have price printing out a double bottom. We can simply wait for price to break the double bottom, continue to the downside, or to react off of it and continue moving to the upside. US 30 is just like the same as the NAS. Price did bring out a double top, double bottom. We can simply wait for price to break the lows, continue moving to the downside, or for price to react off of the lows and continue giving us a bullish momentum and move to the upside. USD CAD, price did break our resistance level, which we've been trading from for some time, and did spike that level on our NFP. So what we're simply waiting for is for price to break the highs, continue to the upside, or for price to break back in and start moving to the downside. But as long as price fails to break the support, this resistance, will have a new support, which will push price to the upside. Tesla, can't say much on the Tesla because our structure is still moving to the downside. So we'll simply wait for continuations to the downside. Bitcoin is still in a sideways movement. Bitcoin is still moving sideways. What we're simply waiting for is for a bullish breakout to continue taking our continuation trades, either to the upside, not to the downside. Ethereum, I don't love our prices moving, so I'm gonna skip it for now. Bitcoin, because now price is clearly indicating that push to the upside, I might simply wait for price to react off the support zone, or off the key level, or off the zone. So I'm simply waiting for price to react off the resistance or the key level, or come back to the support level to find out possible trades. Oil is trading at the zone which I indicated. Close above, we go long, close below, we go short. So if price breaks out from the downside, you can simply wait for price to continue moving more bearish. But if it reacts off the zone, we can start moving to the upside. But price did print a low, printed a high low, printed a low, which is not lower than just previous low, which is a possible market reversal. So we can simply wait for bullish momentum to step in before we can take our trades, our bullish trades, or for price to react off the support level and take stronger trades, which will push price moving to the upside. So that's it. I'm simply waiting to go bullish. I'm simply waiting to go bullish. I'm simply waiting to go bullish on this double bottom, or bearish on the break of the double bottom. Simply waiting to go bullish on break of the highs, bearish on break of the lows. I'm simply looking to go bearish on the break of the double bottom, go bullish on the fail to break, or on a clear indication of this double bottom, move to the upside. Same as US 30, break out, we go bearish, fail to break, we go bullish. USD CAD, because now we're trading in such levels, we simply wait for price to react off the support zone to continue to the upside, or for price to break back in, retest below to continue moving to the downside. Bitcoin, sideways movement. Ethereum, I don't know how it move. Bitcoin, we're simply waiting for price to tap the resistance level or to test the key level to take continuation trades either to the upside or to the downside. Oil, we're simply waiting for the bullish momentum to kick in to start looking to go bullish or for break of the lows and continue moving to the downside. So that's just my outlook. That's just how I base my trades. So that's just how I'm looking to take my trades for the week. I know I didn't go from the daily. I didn't go from the daily 4H and hourly. I just went from the 4H only. So with that said, I will share or upload. I will share and upload of how I might I'm gonna took trades on how I'm gonna took trades on the week, on this coming week. So looking at our fundamentals before we end the session, we're having Labor Day on Monday for the dollar. I might not trade, but we're having retail sales for the odd, and we're having composites and service PMI from the pound. On Tuesday, we're having RPA, we're having interest rates. We're having interest rates for the odd, construction PMI for the pound, non-manufacturing PMI for the dollar later that day. On Wednesday, we're having a holiday on Brazil, GDP for the odd, GDP for the German pound, for the German currency, and we're having Bank of Canada interest rates and IVPMI for the CAD, and later that day we're having energy outlook for the dollar. On Thursday, we're having GDP for the yen, for the Japanese yen, we're having deposits facility margin lending, and having monetary policy, and having RB having interest and having ECB interest rates all for the Eurozone, and having initial claims, and having the ECB conference, having the Fed speaking, having the oil inventories, and on Friday, we having the holiday, Thanksgiving holiday for South Korea. We have an unemployment change for the CAD, and yeah, so that's the only fundamental we'll be looking to trade. So I'm only looking to be around when we having the Fed speaking, when we're having the ECB speaking, and when we having what? Yeah, those are the only fundamentals I'll be looking to take trades from or I'll be focusing on. So my bad, guys, for not having to break down the trades the way I always break them down. But I understand and I will share an update on how I'm gonna be taking those trades. So it's your boy Adam once again. If you ain't not trading with Hunter, what the fuck is you doing with? That's all I got in this video. Peace and love, and I'm out.